Today I'm going to be showing you how to create the new trending optical illusion French design. Let's get started. I'm taking the color Workaholic by Madam Glam and applying it to one half of the nail. Try not to go over that half and apply the polish in an even coat. Once we have finished that step, I'm going to apply the color Darling by Madam Glam to the other half of the nail. Don't worry if you accidentally get the other color onto your brush. Just make sure to wipe your brush off on a paper towel before placing it back into the bottle. Now for the next step, we're going to be using an ombre brush. We're going to start blending the two colors horizontally. Make sure to use a very light hand when using an ombre brush. It doesn't need to be a perfect blend because we're going to blend further in our next step. Now I'm blending the colors vertically, going straight down the center of the nail. Don't worry about it being perfect because we're going to add a second coat after we cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm adding my second layer. Try to apply evenly and keep the layer on the thinner side so it doesn't get too thick. This is the first time I ever created this design, so it is possible. If I can do it, you can do it. Please give this design a try and let me know in the comments how it went. So now that I've applied a second coat of both of the colors, I'm going to start blending again with my ombre brush. I'm going to use very light pressure and start to create that ombre effect. Now switching positions, I'm going to blend down the center of the nail with slightly more pressure. You don't have to spend too much time perfecting the ombre. This design is very forgiving and will still look amazing. And now I'm going to cure in the lamp for 30 seconds, and this is what the nail is looking like. I'm taking Workaholic and creating a smile line. And now I'm going to be taking Darling and placing it on the other half of the smile line. You don't need to worry about precision because we're going to clean it up with a brush in just a minute. And now I'm taking my ombre brush and going to lightly ombre the two colors again. I start by making small feathered strokes to start working the two colors together, and then I take the brush vertically and run the brush straight down the center of the nail. I take a cleanup brush and some alcohol and dab the excess alcohol on my paper towel and carve out the smile line and then cure for 30 seconds. And to finish off the nail, I'm going to apply Madam Glam's non-wipe gel top coat, apply a thin layer, and then I'm going to cure in my lamp for 60 seconds. And this is how the nail is looking like when finished. I love how it looks. Now I'm going to create the same design using different colors. I'm using I Lime You by Madam Glam and Blueberry Cheesecake, which gives the design a whole new look. I've been seeing the orange and white and the red and white designs all over social media. I really think this color gives a better effect, and I love the color combination. Most all of the gel products I'm using today are from Madam Glam. They sent me a package which I'll be showing you right after I finish this nail design. As you can see, their gel polishes go on very smooth, have great pigmentation and blendability. Now I'm applying Blueberry Cheesecake on the other half of the nail, making sure to get as close as I can to I Lime You, and then I'm going to start blending the two colors in just a moment with my ombre brush. Now I'm taking my ombre brush and I'm going to lightly blend the two colors together, going up the entire nail. Now as you can see, I did accidentally get some gel polish on my finger, but don't worry because all of the Madam Glam gel products I'm using today are all HEMA free and 21 free. I'm allergic to HEMA, which is in 75% of all gel products on the market, but I have no issues using Madam Glam's products. They have been a lifesaver, truly. So now that I've done my first coat, I've cured for 30 seconds and I'm going to apply the second coat. I'm applying Blueberry Cheesecake to one half of the nail and the other half I'm applying I Lime You. I'm applying a nice even thin coat and I'm just going to be ombreing that design with my ombre brush, going straight up and down the nail, feathering the design together. And then I'm going to just press the ombre in, going down vertically. And now I'm going to start creating the smile line. I'm going to be taking Blueberry Cheesecake and I'm applying it to the tip of the nail on the green side, and then I'm going to be taking I Lime You on the other side and creating the other half of the smile line. I'm super excited because Madam Glam gave me a discount code to share with all of you. It's for 30% off. I'll leave my discount code in the description box below. So I'm taking my cleanup brush with some alcohol and I'm just carving out that smile line. And when I get it the way that I want it, I'm going to cure in my lamp for 30 seconds. The great thing about doing the smile line this way is if you mess up, you can just wipe it off and reapply the gel polish and carve in your smile line again. So no worries. I'm going to finish off the nail by applying Madam Glam's non-wipe gel top coat. I'm applying a thin layer to the entire nail, and then I'm going to cure in my lamp for 60 seconds. So here are the finished nail designs. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It really helps me out. So they sent a gel base coat, the color I Lime You, this beautiful yellow color called Halo, and then this purple color called Darling, and then a gel top coat. It's a non-wipe gel top coat. And then they sent over this 6-watt lamp. I already used their polishes for the nail design, but I wanted to show you exactly how the gel polish applies in real time. This gel polish applies like a dream. It's really creamy, smooth, and this is only one coat and it has great pigmentation. I highly recommend it. I've been searching for the perfect green and this is it. It's got a great consistency, beautiful color, and I'm going to be swatching all of the colors in just a moment so you can see what all of those look like, but they're the perfect colors for fall. So I'm going to link their website down below in the description box so you can check Madam Glam out. They have a great selection of gel polishes. They have hundreds and hundreds of colors to choose from. They also have a HEMA-free polygel line and many other items. Here are swatches of all 3 colors with 2 coats. So here's all of the nails that we've created today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more video tutorials like this one. Bye-bye.